This is a message to my black men and black women. Never, never let any other race try to hurt your people. Never. So we must start love one another as we love ourselves. Stand up and fight. Fight with all our might.
Wow. Do you see all those ships?
Never let no
Do you see all these ships behind me?
my people. Never, never,
They are waiting for Iran to make a move. Iran is a weak army, and the United States government are waiting for Iran to make a move on Israel, the place you call Israel. That's another stumbling block in our way. We need to get rid of that place they call Israel. We need to remove those people that occupy the land because the land does not belong to them. And nobody is not trying to upset the Palestinian and the Hezbollah group. Everybody thinks that they are wrong in what they're doing. These people are fighting for the land that strangers comes in and occupy. Do you remember the Indians, how you call them, of the Americas? They were fighting for their land that these strangers come in and occupy. And a lot of people think the Indian was wrong for what they're doing. And a lot of people think that the Palestinian and Hezbollah, Lebanon, are wrong for what they are doing. They are fighting for their land. Tell me why you can't get what I'm saying. They are fighting for the land that strangers comes in and took away from them. And also kill their grandmothers and grandfathers. What you do not understand, or what you don't understand. Look, strangers came in your land, burn your house down, burn your fruit trees down or cut them down, kill your livestock, and chase you out of your land, and you're going to talk bullshit that the people should not fight for their land? You gotta be a dummy. You gotta be a dummy if you let strangers come into your house and say they have the right to occupy your house. The strangers have a right to occupy your house. You have to be a dummy. So the Palestinians know, and the Hezbollah know, Lebanon know that they need their land from these white Europeans. Look, why these people don't have a land for their own? They're white people. They're trying to separate themselves from the white race and call themselves Jews. Don't let people fool your mind. There There is nobody named Jews. You can read all the book you want to read. There is nobody named Jews. In the first place, the language that they made up from the Aramaic that they call Hebrew, there's no J in there. There's no J into the Greek. There's no J into the Aramaic. So how are you going to have a race of people called Jews? It doesn't make no sense. They are white people. Look at them. They're blue eyes, flesh color, straight hair, and they try to be dreadlocks. They are not from the land of Canaan. I don't give a damn how long they've been there. What I'm saying to you, they are not the original people of the planet. I am the original man of the planet. So my people were there, and they came there and saw my people, and they killed my people. If there was the look, if these Jews are not the original people of the planet, how could they be into the land of Palestine? Huh? See, black people are not thinking. Look, the original people of the planet, you know the whole planet? The original people are black people. So that, therefore, black people were every corner of the planet. Am I making sense to you? Or you can't understand? So if those white people you call Jews were into the land of Canaan, from time and time, they will be the original people of the land. But they are not the original people because you're not black. I don't want you to say, oh, this change and this change and the climate change. You can talk all your bullshit as long as you want to talk them. I am the original man of the planet. So if anyone were there, it would be my people, the woolly people, into the land of Canaan. And all the structure from the clay or the stone were made by me. And all the figurine and all the statue were made by my people. Are you getting it? So if you want to fool yourself and say that those people are there, go ahead, make my day. As Clint Eastwood would say, go ahead. They're not from there. That's why they're occupiers. So they have no right. Occupiers cannot have no right. Listen, when you occupy the government land, you know those, we call them squatters. When they occupy the land, they don't have any right. The government is not going to put electricity there or put any plumbing there for water. They don't do that because it's a liability if you don't understand. I built two homes on a piece of land, and I could not get a permit to build them, and I built them without the permit from the government. And 10 years later on, they came in and investigate, and I have to take them structure down because they did not give me a permit, and I could not put it up to code because they fined me $20,000. My lawyer said, hey, you already made your money from those two properties, just take them down. And I did so. Because those homes was not up to standard, to the white man's standard. So that's the point I'm trying to make to you. Those people that is into the land of Canaan, they're squatters. So they don't have any right to be there. There is no God gave them the land because my people were living there before. That story they made up. No, they made up story about some God gave them the land. Where are they from? They're from Europe. And they're causing problem into my great-grandfather's land. They need to get out of there. It's very simple. And what they're doing is breaking down all the Palestinian homes, digging up the roads, remove the plumbing for the water, remove the electricity. You don't think that's barbaric? And the United States government sit back and tell you how they're trying to make peace. They're giving the people that live there time to remove all the Palestinians. That's what they're doing. How long do it take to make peace? Say, okay, how long it take to talk? 1 day, 2 days? They've been going on like for 5 months with this talking. But I think what they're doing is giving the people you call Israeli time to get rid of all the Palestinian homes and take more land. And they still building settlement at this moment. So they're barbaric. They want more land. And they're not paying for the land. They're getting it for free. Lebanon, Canaan, those people need to go back where they're from. Straight up. And if you cannot understand what I'm saying, I'm just wasting my time telling you things. I'm not here to make money telling you things. I'm here to wake up your mind. Wake up your subconscious mind. And that is very hard to wake up. So you can find your spirituality. Find where your spirit is. And you can't do that, you're going to be stuck. So what I'm saying, black man, we got to wake up. Help those people fight. But you're not helping those people fight. You're speaking into a way to promote those people that is killing the Palestinians. Huh? You're not trying to remember where those people are from. You know what I mean? You're not trying to find out where those people are from. They've been there for a long time. What you don't understand that they're not from there. Many people say they're not from there. And they know because they're not the original people of the land. So if they're not the original people of the land, they have to come from some place. Who are the original people of the land? Black people. You can give them names, you can give them Moors, you can give them Palestinian, you can kill them Canaanites, whatever name you want to give them. I am telling you, the woolly people were there. And they've been there from time and time because they are the original people of the land. So you see all those ships behind me, they're waiting for Iran to make a move, and Iran is not going to make the move because they are so sissies. They're sissies. All they're saying, debt to America, debt to Israel, and they're not doing shit. If you really look at it. Look how many people get killed. And you have this big army of the Iranians sitting there. Egypt sitting there. Jordan sitting there. They're a bunch of sissies. They are afraid to fight the white man. Because they're coming to be white men themselves. All them place was black people. And they bleach out the black man. So 1 and 2 black men is there and they can't do nothing. They have no power. They keep on bleaching out the black man by, interracial marrying, white men marrying the black girls marrying the white men, or having babies. Bleach out. So the black men have no say in Egypt anymore, as you call it Egypt. The black men have no say in Jordan, as you call it Jordan. And all them names are white people names. They take my grandfather's land and turn it around and name it and put measuring on it and borders and all type of stuff. And we go for the shit. We go for it. Black people didn't have any borders. They go from one destination to another. Because we were all by ourselves. We always just stay one place. We travel the whole planet. Riding the horses or the donkey or whatever. Walk and sleep and plant grains. Have babies, move on, keep on going. And we scatter all over. Now you let the white men came in existence and try to fool your subconscious mind and your thought and your ideas. As I said, you got to wake up. We got to help the Palestinian people chase out them white men or chase out them ballhead out of town, as Bob Marley said. And if you can't do that, you're wasting time as a black man. All the black men is sitting back, wasting time. Speaking about scandal stuff, I'm not trying to help. We got to get rid of them ballhead, and we got to chase them out of town. You know what it meant. We got to chase them ballhead out of town. We got to chase them ballhead out of town. And if you cannot understand that part, it's too bad. Too bad. As I said, peace, respect. I'm out of here.